Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your Facebook page on your YouTube channel. Firstly, go to YouTube, then click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Next, from the left-hand menu, click on Customization. This is where you can manage the look of your channel including links. Now scroll down until you find the links section. Here click on Add Link. Now to get your Facebook page link, firstly open a new tab, then go to Facebook and switch to your page you want. Once you are on the page, look at the top of your browser address bar. There you will see the URL for your page. Simply highlight the entire link. Then right-click and select Copy. Your link has been copied. Now go to YouTube again. In the first field, give your link a title like Facebook page. Then in the second field, paste the URL of your Facebook page. Once you have added your Facebook link, then click Publish in the top right corner to save your change. Here you will see the link and clicking on this link will take you directly to the page. And that's it. Your Facebook page link is now added to your YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video if you found it helpful and subscribe my channel for more tips.